Welcome to the future of AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are no longer the future. They are the present. From transforming businesses to revolutionizing healthcare, AI is changing the way we live, work, and innovate. And guess what? Companies worldwide are actively hiring AI professionals to develop smart algorithms, predictive models, and automation solutions. So, if you're wondering how AI and ML are being used across industries, what skills you need, and how much you can earn, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we break it all down for you. 1. Healthcare and medicine. AI is making healthcare smarter, faster, and more accurate. It is used in medical imaging and diagnostics to detect diseases like cancer early. Predictive analytics improves patient care, and AI-powered robotic surgeries assist doctors with precision. Real-world example: IBM Watson Health uses AI to analyze medical data and recommend treatments. 2. Finance and banking. AI helps banks detect fraud, improve customer support, and even manage investments. Machine learning algorithms analyze transaction patterns and flag suspicious activities. AI-powered chatbots provide instant assistance, while algorithmic trading allows for lightning-fast stock market transactions. Real-world example: JP Morgan Chase reduced contract review time from 360,000 hours to seconds using AI. 3. Retail and e-commerce. Ever wonder how Amazon knows exactly what you want? That's AI. Personalized recommendations, AI chatbots, and inventory management systems keep e-commerce running efficiently. Real-world example: Amazon's recommendation engine drives 35% of its total revenue through AI-powered suggestions. 4. Manufacturing and automation. AI is revolutionizing factories by predicting machine failures, optimizing supply chains, and improving production efficiency. AI-driven robotics and automation are replacing repetitive manual labor, making manufacturing faster and smarter. Real-world example: Tesla uses AI-powered robotics to automate car assembly in its factories. 5. Entertainment and media. AI is changing the way we consume entertainment. Streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use AI to recommend content based on your watching habits. AI-powered special effects, video editing, and deepfake technology are also being used in filmmaking. Real-world example: Netflix's AI-driven algorithm has reduced content churn by 50% with better recommendations. 6. Transportation and logistics. AI is powering self-driving cars, route optimization, and predictive maintenance for transport and logistics companies. AI traffic systems help manage congestion in smart cities, making commuting more efficient. Real-world example: Uber uses AI for route optimization, surge pricing, and estimated arrival times. 7. Education and e-learning. AI is creating smarter learning experiences with personalized tutors, automated grading, and AI-powered course recommendations. Online learning platforms use AI to adapt to student progress and suggest customized learning paths. Real-world example: Coursera uses AI to recommend personalized courses based on user learning patterns. 8. Human resources and recruitment. Recruiters are now using AI for resume screening, chatbots for initial interviews, and predictive analytics to retain employees. AI-driven engagement tools monitor workplace satisfaction and productivity. Real-world example: LinkedIn uses AI for job matching and career recommendations. Essential AI and ML skills for job seekers. If you want to start a career in AI, these are the key skills employers are looking for. Programming languages: Python, R, Java, C++. Machine learning frameworks: TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn. Big data and analytics: Apache Spark, Hadoop. Deep learning techniques: neural networks, NLP, natural language processing. AI model deployment: Kubernetes, Docker, AWS AI services. AI and ML salaries in the US, 2025 estimates. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting parts: how much can you earn in AI? Entry-level AI engineer, $99,578 per year. Mid-level AI or ML specialist, $123,117 per year. Senior AI research scientist, $134,188 plus per year. AI professionals earn some of the highest salaries in the tech industry due to the specialized skills required and the demand for automation and intelligence-driven solutions. The future of AI and ML, why should you learn it? AI will contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. AI-driven automation will create millions of new jobs across industries. Companies investing in AI report 30 to 40% efficiency gains in operations. This is why AI is not just the future, it's the present. Learning AI and ML now can future-proof your career and open doors to exciting, high-paying opportunities. The question is, are you ready to be part of the AI revolution? Take action today. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming our world faster than ever before. Whether you're looking for career growth, a high-paying job, or an opportunity to innovate, AI is the way forward. So, if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing AI content. Hit that like button. Turn on notifications for future updates.